Hi you guys, I just got done having my house cleaned by a service called Perfectly Clean. 2 women came by and did a wonderful job. They got everything done, even the inside of the oven and the inside of the refrigerator. I'm going to put a link below to where you can check out their business. But yeah, I was thrilled with not only the attention to detail that they put in forth, but also their attitudes were really nice. They were extremely just really kind and easy to be around and have in my home. I felt very comfortable with them, and yeah, I'm very, very happy with the job they did. I'm going to be having them come every other week to do the house, and wanted to just make a video saying how pleased I am, because I really am. I think that they are providing a really nice service here at a very, very fair price. So I'm going to highly recommend them, and I will be using them again. So for me, I say I'm giving them a huge thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if you have ever used a housekeeping service and what your experience was. If you've ever used this specific company here in Southern California, let me know what your experience was in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye-bye.